friends, welcome back to another video at Scat Skills. In today's video, we will be making a super fun and easy maze game in Scratch. So as you can see, I'm playing this game and there are these active spikes that keeps popping out anytime between 10 seconds. And if one of it catches you, you are actually dead, which I'll be showing soon enough. So let's go and touch the diamond and check what happens. So if you touch the diamond, it just shows we made it and starts a new maze um, with new patterns, and you need to go for it again. So totally there are 8 mazes like this, and I'm sure that you'll make it out to make this really fun game. And if you touch the spikes, it just shows a game over screen. So let's start making this. So let's keep sprite 1 and go upload a maze. So I have already kept a maze with me, which surely you will get to, because I'll be sending the link to this maze in the description below, which I'm sure that will help you a lot. So I prefer that you take this maze because you'll be able to catch on me. Now, if you want to make any other maze, or you can just go to maze generator and make a new maze and use it. So I've just made it easier for you all by sending the link in the description. It's your wish to take it or not. So there are a total of 8 mazes. Please upload all of them. Next, we need something for the winning action. Say the crystal. Okay. And we'll also need these spikes. For these spikes, I'm just gonna do a quick art. So, just going to draw a kind of kind of perfect triangle, and then I'm just going to fill it with a lighter color, and I'm just going to select it, copy paste, and copy. No, only 3 is enough, I think. Yeah, and I'm just going to make a line which is going to be completely black, and size would be 10. And make the line and place the line right in the middle of the stage. Yeah. Okay. And start aligning the creepy spikes. Okay. This might take you a while or so. Just have patience. Okay. You don't want it to be looking confusing, that's why make sure it's perfect. Next, just copy the line and paste it on another one so that it looks like it's done, like it's not popping out anymore. So now let's start with the coding. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to arrange everything in its position and set its info panel. So the cat size would be 15. The maze shall go to 0, 0. And the crystal can hide for now, or the crystal can go to the end of the maze and change its size to 50. And also for the sprite 2, we'll just hide the spike for now. Now going back to the sprite 1, we want to place the sprite 1 in the opening. So we want to go to the motion blocks, and when we click the green flag, it needs to go to that position. Then for it to move without bumping into the like going through the walls, we'll need if then blocks. So if then. So forever if then, we want to go to the sensing category. If then touching, if then touching the maze one, and if then up arrow key pressed. So over here, what we want to do is we want to change y by 4, and below we want to change y by -4. Like this, we can just duplicate it once and just make it down arrow -4 and up arrow 4. We'll just duplicate this and bump it in there and change it to right arrow and left arrow, and we don't need the Y blocks because we are not doing Y. So I'm just gonna change it to 4, and over here -4. Just put it in there. Just going to duplicate this and put that there, and put this here and put it in. Let's see how this works. Oh, it works. Good. Now, what we want to do is we want to place the the maze in that position when the game starts. So we want to place it there, and let's go back to the sprite 1. And now what we're going to do is if when the green flag is pressed, forever we wanted to keep checking if it has touched the crystal, because the crystal is the way to go to another maze. So if then touching crystal, then we want to broadcast a message, and let this message be message 1 itself. Let's not go to change it. So when I receive message 1, what I should do is I want to go to my next costume. That's it. Cool, huh? Let's try this out, how this works. Hey, it did not go well. So when the green flag is clicked, we want to switch the costume to maze 1. So I'm not going to go through all the maze right now, just for the checking. Oh, that is so cool and so beautiful indeed. So I think I need to do a thing, that is, I wanted to go back to the position where it starts from. But indeed, that's a beautiful design. Let's call it an artwork over here. So I'm just gonna place that there. And it is having a pretty fast movement. To slow it down, let's go to the voices and take a voice, say the cheer, and go back to the code, and let's play cheer. Okay, now let's see what is its expression. Okay, so we want to broadcast that message at last, because at first itself it's changing its. Okay, and good. Now what we want to do is we want to start with the spike. So on the spike, what we want to do is when the green flag is clicked, we want it to forever, or let's just take the repeat 6 times block. Repeat 6 times that it will create a clone of itself, and we also need this block, so let's keep it handy. So what we want to do is, after it creates a clone, we just wanted to hide. So when I start as a clone, we want me to, I mean the spike to pick let's say 177 to minus 177, and just duplicate it and put in the Y's position too. Now what we're gonna do is, forever, we wanted to wait for a second. Forever, we wanted to wait for, say, 1 to 10 seconds. Okay, so before that, we wanted to change its costume to 1, and we'll just duplicate it, and after that to 2. Okay, now let's also add a small cheat code. So if you have heard of a cheat code before, it's nothing too bad. It's just a static of playing. It's just a trick. So if then the S or the H, wait, yeah, oops. Wait a second. Yeah, if the H is pressed, then we wanted to hide. And if the S is pressed, then we wanted to show. That's our cheat blocks. Now let's try this out. So I'm just going to click on S. Whoa, those are one big spike. Let's change the size to 20. 43, okay, 97 is the maximum. So what we're gonna do is we want to go to its costumes and change its size over there. What we can do is we can just, oh, I got an idea. Just going to make it small, and we're just gonna select this. Copy, paste. I'm just going to go to convert, going to delete this, and then I'm just gonna paste that one, hoping that it's in the same position, but it isn't. So I'm going to copy and paste. Yeah, good. Now let's try this out, how this works. Okie dokie. It's working pretty fine, but it's going out of the borders. And we can also help it by changing its size to 50. We want it to show itself. Or instead of 50, I think 70 is a good size. Okay, not there. Okay. So the next code that we're going to be using is when touching sprite 2, then we want to make it play that sound and stop all. Let's try this out. And when we just wanted to show. Okay, gonna get one of yeah, and it stops all. Let's add a backdrop. Say the light and go to lights costumes. I'm just gonna duplicate it and type in game over. Okay, there's no font color. That's why it's blank. Okay, good. Now let's try this. So we want to go over here. So go to looks and switch backdrop to light. And when it happens, we want to switch backdrop to game over screen. Perfect. So like that, we are done with our super cool game. You can do a lot more editings to this game, like say add some more effects or something like that. So hope you guys like this game tutorial. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And do comment if you have any queries and go to the description to get many more links which I'm sure that can help you. So bye for now.